In this video, I'm going to talk about 2 ways you can make additional revenue with residual income and passive income, and whether or not it's right for you. Are you the type of person that looks for additional ways of making money? Are you comfortable in your current job, but you want to explore ways to diversify your income? Well, maybe you're ready to make income without investing large amounts of time. So, we've probably all heard the stories and seen the videos of the luxury cars and the cash and the endless vacations on Maui with not a care in the world, all thanks to residual or passive income. But really, what is it? This type of income is based on building an asset that brings you revenue based on the market value of that asset. So for instance, if you bought a real estate property like a house and you flipped it for a profit, this is a good example of income that you factored in a limited amount of time to get an income. Maybe you purchase a stock that has a guaranteed rate of return based on dividends. This would generate a passive income. Residual income is generated over the minimum rate of return. In personal finance, it is an income that someone has after all business debts have been deducted and all expenses have been paid, much like in the case of selling a business. Banks also determine your residual income in instances when someone is applying for a mortgage by subtracting any foreseen mortgage or property insurance taxes from your income. There are many businesses out there that can create a residual or passive income. Many that are lucrative come in the form of franchises. With a franchise, you can determine the cost of doing business and forecast a return on your investment with a proven system or model of generating business. Franchises are highly sought after for people that want to be their own boss and create a business that has a proven model of making money. The downside can be the investment, as the debt can sometimes stay on the books for quite some time and fees can eat away at your profitability. Plus, more than likely, you've basically purchased a new job that can take years to see you really benefiting from the business. Although not as popular, network marketing businesses are also lucrative. Although you are not purchasing a business, you are getting a system and business model and a way of generating business with none of the debt. Plus, in most cases, you're being mentored and trained to be successful. Now, even though you are typically a contractor for a company, most network marketing or multi-level marketing businesses have their plan of ownership that is legit and legal. But a word of caution: 2 things with network marketing you need to be cautious of based on my own personal years of experience. Number 1, scrutinize the company and the product. The company should be proven in its market and not at a startup level to avoid your risk. The product must also have high potential for a lifetime value of sales or generous compensations. 2, ask your recruiter whether their training is like. This is fundamental and should be a secondary product to the main product to sell. Without a good training program and leadership, you can more than likely expect frustration and misguidance. Well, if you're on social media much, there are so many gurus selling their courses on how to make money, and it is usually including scenes like being around the beach in front of luxurious cars and images of flowing cash. Look, having a residual income is not about having a ton of money. With the right system and a lot of work, sure, you can set your goals and achieve being wealthy, but true wealth is measured by comparing the amount of money you have and the time you have to spend that money. So ask yourself this: if you could live on 60, 70, 80,000 per year, or even 100,000 without having to work 60 to 80-hour work weeks like most employees and business owners in that tax bracket, would that be worth it? Isn't that true wealth? Look, I'm going to end this segment, as always, with an invitation for you to reach out to me if you have any questions regarding new business opportunities. There is no way to know if you're a good fit, but I'm always open to meeting new and interesting people. I'll leave you with this quote by Tim Ferriss. Money is multiplied in practical, valuable, depending on the number of W's you control in your life. What you do, when you do it, where you do it, and with who you do it. Thanks for watching.